Hey everyone, this is Pritham. In this video, we will see how to quickly select using the coordinate specification method in ETABS. What is this coordinate specification? Basically, let's go to our ETABS. This is our current model, and we will go here to the select. In select, there is an option here of the coordinate specification, right? And it has the three sub option of the click joint in the XY plane, click joint in the XZ plane, and the click joint in the YZ plane, right? So basically, in ETABS, the click joint in the XY, XZ and the YZ plane option under the coordinate specification allow you to select all objects, points, lines, all object points, lines, and the areas that lie entirely within the plane defined by a click joint. Basically, how it works. So we go to the select menu. In select menu, there is option of the select. Then there is option of the coordinate specification. As we see here, that when we go to select, in select we go to select. There is option of the coordinate specification. Then we see that there are three options like click joint in the XY plane, click joint in the XZ plane, and the click joint in the YZ plane. Right? As you can see here, this is the object type. No. Select. In the coordinate section, there are 3 points: click joint in the XY plane, click joint in the XZ plane, and the click joint in the YZ plane. Basically, what is the plane? As you see here in this three cursor here, as the Z going upward, Z going upward, X going in this direction, and Y going in this direction, right? So basically, first of all, you will select for the click joint in the XY plane. So let's see what are the further steps. After that, click on any joint in your model. All objects that lie within the corresponding plane at the joint are instantly selected for the further operations. So basically, after selecting from here, go to select coordinate specification. If I click on the click joint in the XY plane, and I just click here in the joint, and then you can see that all the joints members present in the XY plane, that is the X and Y plane, will be get selected, and that's how this works, right? This coordinate specification works. So basically, we have seen for the XY plane. Now we will see for the YZ plane. So go to select coordinate specification, and click on XZ plane. And I will once again click on this joint only, and you can see that this whole part is being selected here. That is present in the XZ plane, right? This is the X plane, and this is upward is the Z plane, right? Now we will see for the YZ plane. Select coordinate specification, then click joint in the YZ plane. Once again, I will select here for this joint, and you can see that in the joint, then when I clicked on the XZ plane, then whole XZ plane for that joint has been selected. Like this coordinate specification works. Now we will see the definitions of this plane definition. XY plane, select all the objects in the horizontal plane at a specific Z elevation level. XZ plane, select all object in the vertical plane at a specific Y coordinate. And YZ plane, select all object in the vertical plane at a specific X coordinate. As you see in the practical way how we have done that, it has been written in this theory form. Typical use cases, that is the isolated for the isolated stories and the floors, XY plane, and select entire building elevation or the cross section for the editing or the assigning properties, XZ and the YZ plane. That's it for today's video. We have seen that how this coordinate specification works.